How to troubleshoot FACEIT verification failures. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search faceit.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right. In here, simply scroll down and click on FACEIT Verified. In here, you can click on Open Camera and try removing glasses if you have one. Also, while taking selfie, ensure bright for soft lighting. Keep a neutral expression. Also, use a high quality camera or phone for both the ID scan and selfie. Avoid screenshots or taking a photo of a screen while taking documents picture as well. You can also identify the specific error message during verification. After you do that, also make sure your country setting is correct. And if it still does not work, at last what you can do is submit a ticket to FACEIT support. And this is how to troubleshoot FACEIT verification failures. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.